We all think that investing in real estate is not everyone's cup of tea. It requires huge amounts of money to get even a small return in real estate business. But the veterans of real estate doesn't think so. In an interview, Robert Kiyosaki and Ken McClure explain the secrets of how they started investing in real estate with $0 and now own multiple real estate across the United States, those who are worth millions of dollars. Robert Kiyosaki was arguing that while most people prefer to invest in stock market, he does not invest in stock market. He does not pay taxes and he does not use his own money. And the reason for it is the real estate. According to him, real estate is real. Real in Espanol means royal. So real estate means royal state. That's why rich people invest in it. Kiyosaki learned that in his real estate class. He said that it was a 3-day class. They were taught that you don't need money to participate in real estate business. After the class was over, they were asked to look for 100 properties in the next 90 days. After 2 to 3 days, most of his teammates quit, and the few remaining ones were looking for small properties because they didn't had any money. But in the end, he found a 1-bedroom property for $18,000 in Maui. It was a very low price for a property in one of the most expensive places in the world. And the reason for its price being so low was that at that time market crashed. And if you are a real estate investor, then you will always look for market crash. Kiyosaki mentions that his instructor told him to look for 100 properties in the 19 days and make a 1-page note about each property. The instructor also asked them to invest in real estate with zero money. But most people would think that it is actually impossible to invest with zero money. We all make excuses like I can't afford it, I have a job, I have children, also have to pay the heavy bills. Kiyosaki says that it is those excuses that keep you poor. You have to change that talk in your head first. You have to change your mindset if you want to be rich or want to succeed financially. There were 32 students in his 3-day class, and out of those 32, only 3 people completed the exercise of looking for 100 properties in those given period of 90 days. And that property in Maui was the best property. It was on the beach. But as he was to invest with zero money, he paid for it with his credit card. So his investment was 100% in debt. And with that debt investment, he made $25,000 in just a single month. And that set him free. He never needed money ever again in his whole life. And if you can make money with no money, that is called as an infinite return. The best thing that whole exercise taught him was that he now thinks that debt is good. He says that as long as you think that debt is very bad, you will think that I will use my equity, and if you think that your ROI, return on investment, goes down. Ken also mentioned that there are some bad debt. But the debt we are talking about is actually good debt because somebody else is going to pay for our debt. If you are borrowing money, make sure you have some tenant's rent to pay for that. Ken talks about an incident that they had one 144-unit property which was 95% occupied. There were also a property next to it. So they took a loan from bank on their 144-unit property to construct on the second phase, and when it was constructed, they took loan on the second one to pay for the construction. It was their good management that they built their second real estate investment without investing their own money. He says that the whole system is designed to use bank financing. There are people who worked hard to earn money and then they put this money into the bank. And this money is a liability to the bank. It's an expense. The banks have to pay interest on these deposits. Kiyosaki says that his first investment was $18,000. It was 100% debt. He paid $2,000 with credit card debt and was making $25,000 a month. Most people are afraid of debts. If you talk to anyone who is on debt, they will always be saying that I want to get out of this debt as fast as I could. But debt is not a bad thing. It pays all your expenses and gives you some income. He says that if I have a deal and it's 100% debt and I make $25,000 out of it, then it's infinite return. Because as I am not spending any of my own money, all the money will be paid by debt, then I can increase the amount of debt and it will increase my return as well. So it's basically very simple process. Now let me take an example to tell you more clearly about it. If you have to pay $1,000 by debt and you will get $10 out of it. Now if you increase your investments to $10,000 and all of that will be paid by debt, then you will be making $100 out of it. So you can increase the amount of investment because it is 100% debt and no money is coming out of your pocket, and then your returns will also be infinite. That's how the rich people invest, which they keep as a secret. They take your hard earned money that you put in the bank as a form of deposit and make money out of it without investing any of their own money. Once Kiyosaki wanted a piece of land, so he bought it from the owner and told them that he will be paying them in 1 year. Then he invested some money in it and sold small pieces to many individuals. Then he paid the owner with that money and also kept a piece of land that he actually wanted for himself. So all they are saying is that you don't need money to invest in real estate. You need a proper education. You should be smart. You can make money without investing any money, and that is the only good return, or as we said, infinite return. So everyone, if you found this video informative, then please make sure to like this video, and if you want more such videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press that bell button. Also don't forget to share this video with your financial friends. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, have a nice day.